So if you are using the free plan in FlutterFlow, you are limited to just 2 projects. And for some people, it's not enough because we have projects for learning, some projects are for clients, and so on and so forth. So 2 projects is definitely not enough for so many people. So in this video, I will show you a very simple way that you can get unlimited projects so you can enjoy building with FlutterFlow. So let's get into it. So before we start, we want to actually acknowledge that FlutterFlow has been useful for so many of us for so long now. And the reason why I am saying this is because some people start to hate FlutterFlow when they just limited their projects in their free plan. But in reality, FlutterFlow team have helped us a lot, and we should always be grateful for what they have helped us with. So again, we want to actually say a huge thank you for the FlutterFlow team, because FlutterFlow needs to make more money so they can actually make more updates and make FlutterFlow much better. So again, a huge thanks for FlutterFlow team. And now let's actually get into how you can actually get unlimited projects with FlutterFlow free plan. So right now, as you can see, I just tried to actually log into my account, and now I only have the option to just work with the 2 projects. So let's actually confirm selection. So of course, once you have confirmed it, you will see that the project access is restricted, which will tell you actually to just upgrade in order to access it. So now the trick will be that, if one account is limited to just 2 projects, it's easy to just create multiple accounts and each one of them will have 2 projects. So let's actually go ahead and just log in into my other account. So as you can see here, it is empty and I can go ahead and create 2 projects right here in the secondary account. So in total, I will be having 4 projects, but I am still using FlutterFlow's free plan. So you can go ahead and create, let's say, 5 accounts, and each account will have 2 projects for completely free. So you will have actually in total of 10 projects. So you don't have to pay for the basic plan if you only need, for example, just to learn or do things that doesn't require advanced features. So if you don't require that, then just like use multiple accounts and you will have so many projects. So you can actually go ahead and, go to 10 accounts. It depends on how much you can, handle. So again, if you want more projects, have more accounts, that is completely legit and there's no problem with that. So if you don't like to manage and have a lot of accounts, I have another trick for you. So let's say this is account number 2 and this one is account number 1. So this is our main account. So I can go ahead and create a new project right here, and I can just call it test, and it will be like just from here. So I can just go ahead and go to the collaboration, and I can just add a user. That user will be this account. So this account, we have just 2 projects that are our own projects. So we will create more projects from another account like this one, and then we will actually invite ourselves. So let me actually invite myself. All right, so just type in the Gmail and then just click on confirm. So I have sent the invitation. Now if we refresh here, so this is going to be the result. So you see here that we have this, like it's from the other account and it's showing up right here. So can you imagine now you have your secondary account where you can actually create all right, so these are my clients projects. They are old ones anyway. So as I told you, I have created 1 project and invited myself from here. And why I have done this is just because I don't want to be juggling between multiple accounts just to have different projects. No, I want to have all in one place, and this is a trick. All right, so you can have multiple accounts, each with 2 projects, and all of them are going to be pushing those projects into your main account, which is actually this one. So hopefully you've got the idea, and I have given you an example. So go ahead, create a secondary account, create 2 projects, and add yourself from there, and they will show up in your main account. So many of us have their main account and their secondary account. They can have, let's say, 1 main account, of course, and they can have, let's say, 5 secondary accounts. So each of these 5 can have 2 accounts each, which is 10 in total, and all of them are going to be appearing in your main account if you invite yourself. So that's another trick for you. So right now I have shown you how you can actually get multiple projects with the FlutterFlow free plan. So right now I want to actually mention something that is very important. So right now, this trick is not meant for everyone. So it's only meant for people who do not have the money to pay for the basic plan. So let's say you want to actually learn and you need more than 2 projects, but you don't have the money to pay for the basic plan. You can use this trick to have multiple projects so you can continue learning. But once you have the money, please invest in the basic plan, because FlutterFlow deserves more from us. It deserves our money actually, because it has helped us a lot, and we should just, show some sort of gratitude to it. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it has helped you. And if you have the money, go ahead and invest in the basic plan. It's going to be worth it, because at the end of the day, even if you have, let's say, hundreds of projects in the free plan, this will only give you more projects. But if you need something like deploying your app to the Play Store, or downloading the APK, or downloading the code to your app, like no matter what you do, you still have to pay for the basic plan in order to get this. So keep that in mind.